I met Wendy at a conference, and we gravitated towards each other as two tall women. We started talking about our professions. I'm an attorney, she's a business coach, and we started talking about how someone could, like me, an attorney, could use a business coach in their everyday career. I told her about my experiences in the past. I had had a business coach and that I didn't find it particularly successful. And she talked to me a little bit about the specific things that she does that differentiated her from the experience that I had.
Describe Wendy's coaching process and how it differs from others.
One of the things that we did or that she does all the time actually, is to help me know what I don't know. So, for example, I wanted to do a marketing plan, and that was my goal. I need to have a marketing plan. I want it in place, and I want it done in my first 6 months. And as we worked on it, the first thing that she helped me identify was, who was my ideal client? Who do I want to work with? Who am I actually working with? And what are the differences between those two people? And it was something that on my own I never would have come up with. Of course, it makes sense to do it, but having someone to know this is what you need to do before we spend time and energy on a marketing plan made the whole process much more effective and time efficient, because I actually knew what it was that I was working towards before I started to engage. So that would be an example of something specific that the way that she helps me, that gives me something specific to be able to always incorporate my goal in whatever it is that I'm doing.
Would you recommend Wendy, and why?
So I signed up with Wendy to do her Gateway 6 months program, and as we approached the end of the 6 months, we looked back, as we have been doing periodically, but we really analyzed where were we relative to those final goals that I had hoped to accomplish in that time period. And part of what I really liked about her and do like about her, is that she has helped me to identify specific, firm, measurable goals and accountability of how I would know if I had actually reached my goals. And so it's been great. We actually have been really successful, and I've met all of those goals. I've signed up for another 6 months, and off we go to move bigger and better.